We are getting your Canva account back by submitting a formal appeal to their trust and safety team. Start by opening your email inbox and searching for any messages from Canva regarding your account status. Usually, they send an automated notification explaining the specific reason for the ban. If that email contains a direct link to lodge an appeal, click that first as it links your request directly to the existing case file. If you cannot find that email, open your web browser and go to the Canva Help Center. You want to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Contact Us. From the list of options, navigate to where it says Account or Content Appeal or look for a section labeled Trust and Safety. Once you are on the support form, type in the exact email address associated with your banned Canva account. In the description box, you need to provide a clear explanation of why you believe the ban was a mistake. If you think your account was flagged for a design that actually follows their guidelines, state it clearly. If you had a team member who violated terms without my knowledge, you would explain that the violation was isolated to a specific user and ask to have the personal access restored. The important thing is to remain polite and direct. Avoid using aggressive language, as a real person from the moderation team will be reviewing this. You have 180 days from the initial ban to submit this, so do not wait too long. Upload any evidence you have, such as screenshots of your designs or previous communications, by clicking the attachment icon at the bottom of the form. Now, the trade-off here is that once you submit this appeal, you lose the ability to create a new account using that same email until a decision is made. It goes both ways. While you are waiting for them to clear your name, you cannot access any of your saved brand kits or premium assets. After you hit submit, check your email daily for their response. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.